Hello world! This is it, my first ever review vlog, and I choose to do video with this item. I purchased online 2-in-1 humidifier and at the same time Aroma Diffuser. Come with me! Let's have a quick browse where I bought this item. I always compare the price of the item I want to buy. Angel Chic, I saw this right on my budget. And I catch their promo price 153 Saudi Riyals or $40 or 2,110 Philippine Peso. I had my interest for choosing this item because it is easy to pour water on the tank, very convenient that I can take water up to 5 liters. I was pleased when I saw this picture. You can add lemon, flower petals, mint leaf, citrus peel, essential aroma oil, or whatever you prefer. Mostly convenient to clean. From the base, safe to clean, no worries for wetting the electrical parts. The machine has electrical socket type A and the company provided me this adapter. It has a touchpad, on and off commands served as air volume up to 3 levels. I guess I am ready to put water in it. And one whole lemon cut into pieces. Almost done and ready to turn on. The touchpad is not sensitive as I expected, but it is working and fair enough for me. This is air level number 1. Air level number 2. If you remember, in the earlier part of my video, the brochure of the seller they post regarding the touchpad command display of the model item of their humidifier, a lot of touchpad command display you will find, like the temperature, humidity, etc. But the item they delivered to me is only one touchpad command, which is on and off and air volume level. And because of that, I just score them fair enough, not completely satisfied customer. I already used my humidifier, and 5 liters of water in air volume number 1 will consume for 15 hours, or it depends on the weather of your location. Not bad, right? So I guess this is the end of my review vlog number 1. If you enjoy my review vlog video, please hit the bell icon below and press like and share. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Any comments, suggestions, or questions, feel free to write in the comment section below. Bye-bye!